Dear students, Jai Hind. Let's build vocabulary together. One word substitution part 3. Force Defense Academy welcomes you all. Today we have a slight different technique to teach you. First of all, I will explain all the four options and then I will show you the question. You have to answer the question. Let's start. Question number 1. Partial. Partial means not complete or whole, showing or feeling too much support for one person. He is showing support for one person. Next is prejudiced, having an unreasonable dislike of preference for somebody or something. Next is objective, unbiased, not influenced by personal feelings, opinions. And last is predestined, already decided or planned by God. So we have discussed four words. Now question is in front of us. To be biased against. So to be biased against means partial, objective, prejudiced or predestined. So right answer will be third, prejudiced. Now come to the next. Word number 1 is grin. Grin means to smile widely. Next is gesture, a movement that you make with your hands, your head or your face to show a particular meaning. Next is gestation, the time that the young of a person, animal develops inside its mother's body until it is born. And last one is grimace, an ugly expression with your face to show pain or disgust. So we have discussed here these four words: grin, gesture, gestation and grimace. Now the question, motion of head, hands etc. is a mode of expression indicating attitude. So that will be definitely gesture. So the right answer is option number 1. Come to the third. Number 1 is diatribe. Diatribe means a long and angry speech or piece of writing attacking and criticizing somebody or something. That is diatribe. Next is diaspora, the movement of people from any nation or group away from their own country. Next is diadem, means a crown worn as a sign of royal power. Now question, bitter and violent attack in words. So the bitter and violent attack in words is diatribe. The right answer will be diatribe. Come to the next. Number 1 is chemotherapy, a treatment of disease with the use of chemical substances. Hydrotherapy, the treatment of disease injury by doing physical exercise in water. Psychotherapy, the treatment of mental illness by discussing somebody's problems with him. Physiotherapy, the treatment of injury in the joints or muscles by exercise, massage and the use of light and heat. Now question, treatment by means of exercise and massage. So the treatment by means of exercise and massage is physiotherapy. Yes. Come to the next. Number 1, defection. Defection means withdrawing support or help despite continued support for a political party, religion or ruler. Before some time we see defection in MP also. So defection means to change the group or party. Next is disloyalty, the quality of being unfaithful to your friends, family, country, etc. Next is desertion. Desertion means abandonment, to leave. And last one is migration, the movement of a large number of people, birds, animals from one place to another. So we have cleared these all four words. Defection means to change the group, disloyalty means unfaithful, desertion means abandonment, migration means movement. Now question, the abandonment of one's country or cause. So we have discussed this, that is desertion. Come to the next. Number 1 is aquarium, a large glass container in which fish and other water creatures and plants are kept. That is aquarium. Next is den, the hidden home of some types of wild animals, bear, lion, etc. Next is aviary, a large cage building for keeping birds in. And last one is sanctuary, an area where wild birds, animals are protected and encouraged to breed We can say it reserve also. Question is a place where birds are kept. So the place where birds are kept is aviary. Option number 3 is right. Come to the next. Number 1 is unflinching. Unflinching means remaining strong and determined even in a difficult, dangerous situation, not shrinking from danger. That is unflinching. As we are facing a health issue in India and most of the students are unflinching. Next is irreparable, that cannot be repaired. That is infallible. Infallible means never wrong, never making mistakes, that never fails. And last one is irremediable. Irremediable means too bad to be corrected or cured. So we discussed unflinching, irreparable, infallible, irremediable. Now the question, a method which never fails. A method which never fails is infallible. Infallible is the right answer. Come to the next. Incredible. Incredible means unbelievable, impossible, very difficult to believe. Inevitable, that cannot be avoided. We can say unavoidable, that you cannot avoid or prevent. Next is ineffable, too great, beautiful to describe in words, ineffable. And last one is ineluctable. Ineluctable means unavoidable, that you cannot avoid. Now the question, something which cannot be believed. So something which cannot be believed is incredible. Incredible is the right answer. Come to the next. Mummy, a body of a human, an animal that has been preserved by treating it with a special oil and wrapping it in cloth. We can say embalm. Next one is corpse. Corpse means a dead body of human. Next one is morgue, a building in which dead bodies are kept before they are buried or burnt. Mortuary. Mortuary is also morgue. Now question, body of a human being or animal embalmed for burial. So embalmed for burial is mummy. Now last, desultory. Desultory means going from one thing to another without a definite plan and without enthusiasm. That is desultory. Next, dilapidated. Dilapidated means old and in very bad condition. We can say any furniture or building. Whimsical we can say. Next is dilatory, not acting quickly enough, causing delay. And last one is depraved. Depraved means morally bad or wicked. We can say evil. So the question, of very bad morals characterized by debasement or degeneration. So that will be depraved. So the right answer is depraved. Dear students, I hope you are getting these words. We are daily discussing 40 words. With the help of these 40 words, we are learning 10 one word substitution and 30 another words. Keep your study. Jai Hind. Thank you.